Hi, Colin Hung here with Healthcare IT Today, where we explore the latest trends and interesting technologies from the world of health IT. I'm coming to you here from the AHIMA 2023 conference, where I've spent the last 3 days really diving deep and connecting with people here in the health information management profession. It has been a fascinating conference. Not only because I got the rare opportunity to be the MC for AHIMA23 and was on actually the main stage rather than in front of it taking pictures. That was a totally unique experience for which I will be forever grateful to the AHIMA organizers for allowing me to be part of their conference in that way. But I really was interested in learning what are the trends, what are people seeing here, what are they talking about? And let me tell you, there were 3 things that really stood out for me. First of all, the number of people who are attending this conference who have been coming here for 20 plus years has just floored me. I would guess that half the people I spoke to were saying that this was like the 23rd, 24th, 25th conference that they've come to for AHIMA. I even had one lady, totally lovely, saying that this was her 40 plus time coming to AHIMA. And she was telling me about the history of the conference and how it has moved from the world of dictaphones and manually typing in and transcribing information all the way through to the book rows on rows of shelves that they used to have to store medical records, and how the exhibit hall was full of people who were making shelves and making better indexing methods, to now where we're seeing nothing but technology, software that's enabling people to not just store and retrieve records, but also to ensure the quality of those records, to protect those records from cybersecurity threats, and frankly, to make use of that data for things like AI, machine learning, and just all around improved care delivery to patients. The second thing I really noticed here at the conference was that people were talking about AI, not in the broad sense, but in very practical applications. They were talking about how AI can help them with workflow, with prioritization, with figuring out what data needs to be sent with a release of information and what doesn't, looking for duplicates. All those kinds of things were things that people were really touting here in the exhibit hall, but also talking about in terms of potentially needing in their organizations. And the third thing I have to say is that the future is bright. Everyone I spoke to here at the conference was super upbeat, super enthusiastic about the future of the HIM profession. Even though there's a lot of pressures economically, a lot of policy changes, cybersecurity threats, all these kinds of things are really putting these people under a pressure cooker. Yet you wouldn't be able to tell by talking to them here at the conference. All of them were very excited to be here. All of them were looking forward to the following year and overcoming these challenges, working together, sharing information. And that was just amazing to see. So once again, I am super excited having been here. I am super pumped having been here. And I think the HIM profession is in great hands. The AHIMA folks were just fantastic. This has been Colin Hung for Healthcare IT Today. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll catch you at the next conference.